Asterisk grapes are one of the world's most popular and nutritious fruits, enjoyed fresh or as raisins, juice, and wine. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, fiber, and powerful antioxidants like resveratrol. Eating grapes may help support heart health, boost the immune system, improve digestion, protect your cells from damage, and promote healthy skin. Their natural sugars also provide a quick source of energy. Grapes are widely grown in China, Italy, Spain, France, the United States, Turkey, India, Chile, and South Africa. While grapes are highly nutritious, they are not a cure for diseases. Enjoy them as part of a healthy, balanced diet to support overall health and well-being.